Hi everyone, welcome to our online learning platform SP Lessons Competitive Exams. Hope you all are fine and safe. Today we have come up with a new topic for neat memory tips and how to remember complex concepts in NEET. I think a lot of people are waiting for some tips for NEET exams as it is one of the most important exam. For any medical aspirant, NEET is the foundation stone for the candidates. Have you wondered how some students score excellent ranks in the competitive exams and score great in the board exams too? Uh, Many coaching institutes instill within the aspirants that board exams are not as important as the NEET exam is. Yeah, it's a universal fact. So, here we are providing some NEET memory tips and some preparation for the exam decides your rank. And the first one is have a habit of noting down and highlighting. While you are studying for the first time, it is suggested to note down any point which you find to be important. Make sure the formulas are noted down. Highlighting in the course material helps you with a quick revision. Noting down the important concepts help you to memorize it for a longer time. And the second one, be graphical. Biology is a subject that requires a lot of imagination skills. To foster such skills, using the graphical method to study along with images is always suggested. Associate the important terms with imageries and color code them. It shall help you to recollect them efficiently. Use sticky notes efficiently. Getting to assess your knowledge as you study is the best way to prepare. Sticky notes help you to note down the important bullet points to a question. Take two sticky notes, use one of them to write the answers in bullet points and other the mention, the little or the question. Now stick the notes one behavior another. This will help you to test yourself as you study along with the notes during revision. The sticky notes can also be used to make mind maps, which have been regarded as an efficient way to use sticky notes. Tabular representations become important. Make it to a point to jot down the table and rewrite it once again. It shall help you to retain the difficult words and terms such that you don't end up confused. Start by writing one column of the table and then take a break. Study something else for about an hour. Then come back and complete the other half of the table to check your retention power. The second one is be trendy. It works wonder when you start to spot a pattern in formulas or numbers. It can be often the most effective way to remember difficult numbers or formulas. You should make particular categories for remembering certain specifications and divide them accordingly. Doing so will ensure that you don't end up focusing and confusing yourself with similar formulas or concepts. Divide and conquer. The NEET exam is one of the biggest examinations with more than 5 lakhs candidates appearing worldwide. What is more interesting is the volume of the course which needs to be covered. In order to ensure that you deal with it effectively, divide the course into smaller subfragments. Dividing them will reduce the psychological pressure on you. Moreover, you can create your own strategy to study these smaller fragments and recite them repeatedly to aid the course. Tackle real time questions. This is the most essential part of the preparation. Give as many mock tests and attempt as many questions as possible. Devise your own strategy to handle the questions. Attempting more questions will let you know about your accuracy, weak links, as well as understand which questions are to be let go. And next one is neat memory tips. This one will help you on the day of the exam. Stay confident. Most of the students have put forward their concern that they study everything yet fail to perform efficiently. One of the major reasons cited by them is the lack of confidence in the exam hall. It is recommended not to any last minute study and keep yourself calm during the examination. Sipping water from the water bottle also helps to reduce the nervous during the examination. Start with your strong section. Not to play to your strong strengths. Start with the session in which you are most confident in scoring good marks. It will help you to increase your confidence along with the exam and help you to complete the particular section soon. Time management. Often students end up dedicating more than the required amount of time on the tougher problems. It is suggested to shift to the easier one and park the together questions for later attempts. Focus on accuracy. NEET has a component of negative marking. For every wrong answer you give, you end up getting a penalty score. Hence, it gets very necessary to attempt only those questions which you are sure of. Just leave the questions you are not uh, don't aware them or you are not practice in these questions at the time of your preparation. And here I am giving one note point. Remember, every exam that you will be taking in life will not be testing your weakness, it will be testing your strengths. Make sure that your weakness is overpowered by your strengths. Since the subject cutoff needs to be clear, ensure that you study good enough to improve the weak areas and make them strong areas. Hope this session will help the NEET aspirants. At least they will get some basic about idea about these tips. And if you have any doubts, just comment on our YouTube section, and you can send and you can return your queries to our mail id, that is carried at the rate of itools info limited. And you can follow us on your telegram also, and you can follow us on Facebook, which the name is SP lessons. Thank you.